This planet is at a tipping point. People are choosing open platforms powered by blockchains, ensuring money flows through the hands of everyday people.
Institutional investors are getting engaged.
A new wave of global institutions are investing in Bitcoin and blockchain technology, while demand for cryptocurrencies has reached historic heights, forever changing the way we give to the causes we care about, and how we exchange, earn, and spend. The future is decentralized. The world is moving forward. We're building new systems to increase the freedom of money for everyone. But it'll take all of us working together to push past the tipping point.
We have a Binance Smart Chain that's finally released, a $100 million fund for the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem community.
I think that Bitcoin is the solution to 7.8 billion people's problems. They just don't know it yet.
We can watch the world change, or we can change the world.